Hi, my name is Connie and I'm so excited because I just got a package in the mail today, my personal copy of Women Inventors and the 7% by Robert J. Bear. Robert Bear is incredible. I'm part of his fan club. He doesn't know it, but I am. And Robert is an incredible supporter of inventors. He has a podcast called Invention Stories, which is incredible, where he interviews inventors all the time, and we get to learn all about how to invent and what people go through with their stories. He has another book called Invention Stories, which I loved reading, and now he has this book, and I'm so proud because he asked me to quote something about being part of the 7% of women inventors. And he said, can you write a few words, Connie, about being an inventor? And actually, I wrote a few words, really very few. My words are, when we were children, we were curious about things around us. Why does this change? Why does it have to change? I'm proud to be a trailblazer among women inventors and never lose my sense of curiosity. Now, I think I'm the shortest quote that he has in this whole book, but I'm very proud to be a part of this book and to be a friend of Robert Bear. Thank you. Thank you, Robert.